Hi everybody, this is LTVs from Emergegarden Estate, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you all how I grow watermelons in a container, a 20-inch container. Let's get into the video. As you can see, along in the 20-inch container pot, I am including halfway with soil. In addition, I will be adding some organic compost, plus some organic earthworm castings to amend the soil and also help to have the watermelons to grow at a very fast pace, and they'll definitely stay healthy throughout their months of growing, which approximately should take 73 days. So let's see what happens. Next, I will be including my sugar baby watermelons. I purchased one tray, so I'm hoping to see if that will definitely create an abundance of sugar baby watermelons at the end of the season. So I am starting to plant those around the container. Also, you can see I have some cauliflower, which is a complementary plant to watermelons. In addition, I have some additional watermelon seeds as a backup, and also some flowers that complement the container. It also helps nourish the soil. And I also will be planting some marjoram or marjoram. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Like I said, these are complementary plants. It helps to keep the watermelons to thrive and to grow. Also, I did last minute include some lettuce. Lettuce also helps enrich your soil. So this is like my complementary container. So all of these plants will help to keep the sugar baby watermelons growing throughout its season, and it'll definitely will also enhance the box with a different array of different plants that I am growing this season, which you can also include, or if you want to plant just watermelons, you can do that as well. But I like to add a complementary type plants just to encourage strong growth for the sugar babies to grow throughout the season. By the way, to everyone, happy National Watermelon Day. I will be celebrating Watermelon Day for the first week in August. So cheers to that. And last, I am adding my organic slug and snail bait, which will help keep the little nasty critters from eating up my flowers. And also, I'm also adding some name tags just to make sure I can remember where I planted things. As you can see the results. Wow, amazing. I am super excited. I'm super happy. We are halfway through growing these watermelons, and I cannot wait. It is July 30th, and this is the results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment below and let me know, will you be growing watermelons? And has this video helped you to grow them in the future? Bye for now.